Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play yourself on chess. Calm. To begin, you will need to set up two distinct accounts on the platform. Once your accounts are ready, log into each one using separate web browsers or private browsing windows. This setup ensures you can manage both sides of the game independently and smoothly. Make sure both accounts are prepared to start a new match. Now that your accounts are logged in, it is time to start the game. From one of your accounts, send a direct challenge to your other account. When setting up the challenge, you can choose a custom game type, perhaps a standard 5-minute match or a 10-minute game. Once the challenge is sent, switch to your second account and accept it. This will officially begin your self-play session. With the game underway, the key is to seamlessly switch between your two browser windows. After making a move for one side, switch to the other window to make the corresponding move for the opposing side. Treat each move with careful consideration, as if you were playing against a strong opponent. This practice allows you to deeply analyze openings and test new strategies from both perspectives. Playing yourself offers numerous benefits for improving your chess skills. It significantly enhances your understanding of various openings, allowing you to see them from both white and black perspectives. You can also develop a deeper tactical awareness and practice new strategies in a controlled environment. This unique method provides an excellent opportunity to analyze your own thought processes and identify areas for improvement, making you a more well-rounded player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.